We all know the crazy chaos caused by trying to use more than one app for productivity. There has to be a better way to work. It's time for change. That's why we created ClickUp. ClickUp is an entire productivity platform that keeps all of your work organized in one beautifully intuitive place. Now you can use one app for everything. With ClickUp, plan and create custom views that you can share with anyone. Tasks, calendars, docs, spreadsheets, timelines, goals, mind maps, and you can even embed custom views. It's one app to replace them all. Inbox is a new way to plan your day. Using AI, everyone will know exactly what to work on next, while keeping reminders, events, and scheduled tasks all in sync. When you're ready to take off, ClickUp automatically imports your stuff from any app you're already using. And in the unlikely event that you still need to use other apps, ClickUp integrates with literally thousands of them. ClickUp is now the fastest growing productivity app with over 50,000 teams getting more done every day. Let's make the world more productive together.